अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम आईटीबी के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे। ये वीडियो बीकॉम 1 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए अपियर होना चाहते हैं। तो इस वीडियो को आखिरी तक देखें ताकि आप एग्ज़ाम में आईटीबी के पेपर में सिर्फ पास नहीं हों बल्कि अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकें। These are some important questions which you should prepare. Define business environment. What are different types of business environment? Explain in detail. Then define business combinations, explain circular, horizontal and vertical combinations. What are the characteristics of joint stock company? Describe the procedure of joint stock company. Why sole proprietorship is most common in Pakistan? Write about the merits and demerits of partnership. चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की वीडियोस और सैम्पल पेपर्स एक्सेट्रा आपको पहुंचता रहे। Define multinational company, illustrate objectives and role of multinational companies. Explain the kinds of capital market. Highlight the role of functions of stock exchange in the development of economy of a country. Define marketing and explain functions of marketing. Explain product life cycle. What are the types of business risk? What precautions are taken to avoid business risk? Describe methods of handling risk. Any type of question from this can come. Click on subscribe button. Define social responsibilities of a business, particularly in reference to COVID-19 situation. As you know, the ITB paper focuses on the current scenario, current business scenario. So this question is really important. Describe the features of economic system followed in Pakistan. Explain the problems faced by businessmen while establishing a new business, जिसे हम problems while starting a new business भी कहते हैं. Explain the services of wholesaler to manufacturer and retailer. Briefly explain different types of retailers. Describe the advantages of international trade. Differentiate between final consumer and organizational consumer. Differentiate between final consumer and organizational consumer. Also state important features of services. What are the common methods of wage payment? State the important features of services. Repeat हो गया ये, cancel होगा. What do you mean by marketing strategy? Also explain marketing mix and market segmentation. Fast changing political and technological environment of a country have direct effect over business. How? Describe the basic difference in profit-oriented and non-profit oriented marketing. What is a business combination? Also give reasons which leads to establishment of business combination. Technical, political and legal environment are also important for businessmen. Do you agree? Discuss the types of retailing stores available in Pakistan. Explain the factors under which partnership firm is dissolved. Briefly discuss various divisions of a personal department or of a big organization. Discuss the impact of COVID-19 on economic, technological and legal environment of Pakistan. Describe the characteristics of capitalist economy, also give its merits and demerits. What do you mean by marketing strategy? Also explain marketing mix and marketing segmentation. Question इस तरह से भी आ सकता है. Fast changing political and technological environment of a country have direct effect over business. How? It is again repeated. Short notes है. Tariffs, cooperative societies. Topics important for short notes are partnership deed, wholesaling, warehousing, means of transportation, pools and cartels, franchise, IMF, inventory control, balance of payment and balance of trade, classification of capital market, role of CPEC in the economy of Pakistan, orientation and training, memorandum of association which is known as MOA, article of association which is known as AOA. Both are from the chapter of joint stock company in the forms of business organization, kinds of warehousing, insurance and its types. So you should prepare at least these topics to score good marks. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel for more important topics in upcoming days and for other subjects important questions too.